back to another video. Today's gonna be my first Toca video, and we're gonna be doing like a morning routine. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and bell button. But yeah, I'm gonna introduce everybody. This is JJ, this is Savannah, and this is Oakley. Oakley's a boy, by the way. But yeah, let's get into this video. Oh, it's morning already. I really don't want to go to my work today, but I probably should get up now. What do I obviously have to put in this, but for now I think I'm just gonna wear something pretty comfy. Maybe this. Yeah, that's comfy enough. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go wake up Oakley because she's probably going to be whiny and I just want to get that over with. Then I'll make breakfast and wake up my annoying husband that seems to never be able to wake up to the alarm. Whatever. Oh, she's so cute. I'm so excited to wake her up today. Oh my gosh. Never mind, I take that back. Let me just grab her diapers and her baby powder. I'll just use the wipes that come with the changing table. Anyways, gosh, this is gonna get stinky. Oh, let's just get this over with. Alright. Take off her diaper. Yeah. Wipe it. Baby powder. New diaper. Now time to put everything back. And throw away this. Ew. I just hate changing, but JJ never seems to wake up early enough. Whatever. I'm just gonna put her over in her, I forgot what this is called, but whatever that is. I'm gonna be putting her, oh my gosh, get in there. I mean him. Sorry, I keep misgendering her. Him, when I literally had to make sure that everybody knew he was a boy at the start. See, this is, oh my gosh. Get in. 1 second. I'm just gonna put it down like there. Anyways, I guess I'll make some breakfast. Don't know really what I'm gonna make yet, but we'll find out what we're making in a second. I think I'm just gonna make some egg on toast because it's pretty simple and I don't have to make everybody something because the baby can't eat that. But yeah, I'm just gonna grab the toaster here and throw in 2 pieces. Oh my gosh, 2 pieces of toast. Oh my gosh, I did not know it didn't fit, but whatever. Oh gosh, so many things I have to edit. At least I know now. I'm just gonna grab a plate. Just grab a plate. Put the egg on it. No! Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why is everything going so wrong? Now I'm just gonna put the second toast in there. Alright, we have to fry the egg. Yeah, we're totally just gonna give everybody salmonella. whatever. Or cook the eggs. We'll just cook the eggs. And I'll plate all the food back here. I think I'm just gonna do some coffee today. I don't really want any orange juice. Plus, I have to stay a little bit later because I'm a nurse. And usually we have to stay really late. So coffee will just help me a lot today. Gosh. This annoys me so bad. Okay, whatever. Put that there. Oh my god! See, I hate when this happens. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna give JJ coffee too. Because if he doesn't like it, then maybe he should have gotten up earlier and done it himself. So, yeah. Bro, you know what? I don't really care. Let's put it a million miles away from the food. So bump. Anyways, I think the eggs are done. So I'm just gonna put the eggs on the toast. I said put the eggs on the toast. Okay. I have to put the toast literally on the floor. But whatever. No, I'm not cleaning the pan. Because I'm too lazy. We're too lazy for that. I'm just going to grab the baby bowl and get her some baby food. And I'll go warm up her bottle and wake up JJ. And time to wake up JJ. Wake up! What? Wait, what? Oh, it's just wake up! Gosh, I thought there was something bad happening. You don't have to scream. Yeah, we'll get up and put something on. Well, you know what? You know what I mean. Just get ready. Gosh. This always... I guess I'll just get ready. I do have a game today. But, yeah. So, I guess I'll just put on my gear because I'm too lazy to put it on later. Guess I'll grab my phone. No. You are not wearing cleats in my house. This isn't just your house. Like, whatever. No. You are not wearing cleats. Go back and go change. Gosh. Okay, I'll go change. I never thought having a wife would be so scary. Whatever. Just go change really quick. Just wear this, I guess. No. This. This. I will wear this. Is this good enough? Yes, now go to the table. Alright. Just gonna sit down. Gosh, I'm so done with this man. Always doing the literal least to help me out. Well, this isn't just your house. Hon, I am a nurse. You work on... You're not even in the pro leagues of the soccer team that you're on. Gosh, really? Whatever. Actually, not my problem. Well, it shouldn't be. Eat your food fast, because I am not going to be waiting when I'm done. I kind of forgot the baby spoon, so can you go get it? Yeah, I guess I can. Well, time to get the baby spoon. And, yeah. Can you also get the baby bottle? Yes. Let me just grab it. Put this here. Now I'm just gonna eat my food. Gosh. You eat that faster than I ate mine. Well, you didn't even start. I need at least like 5 bites before I finish. Yeah, well, whatever. I'm just very hungry today. Yeah, I guess you are being very big today. Do not call me big, because I am not big. Yes, you are big. Gosh, look what you made the baby do. You made her cry. You're just gonna make her cry more if you yell. You're right. It's okay, sweetie. Just eat your food. Huh. I'm just gonna eat my food too. See, that is normal. Not eating like so much. Gosh, can you just let it go? It's not that deep. Whatever. I'm just gonna feed her bottle now. Now you're doing the dishes, so just put that away. I'm gonna go make my lunch because I stay there for lunch. And then for dinner, they give us like 2 hours for dinner, and then we have to come back. Don't know why they do that way. I'm gonna fill up your water bottle because I'm a good wife. Unlike him, who's not a great husband. Whatever. Let's fill up the water bottle. Pop it over there. And I'm gonna go make myself some pasta because that's what I want for my lunch today. I'm just gonna grab the pot. And I'm gonna boil the pasta and the tomato. Can you actually just drink it? Yeah. I think it doesn't fit on there, so I'm just gonna put it on the frying pan, even though that's not where you're supposed to freaking. You know what? I'm not going to be so angry. Toca. Okay. Just gonna be normal. Anyways. I think my pasta's done, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Close. Now I'm just gonna grab the keys early and put them in my purse. Because I'm way too lazy for that. Anyways. I'm also gonna put my husband's soccer clothes in here because I know he's going to probably stay in his outfit for a while. Just gonna put his water bottle. Are you not gonna do the freaking dishes? Like, gosh, can you just do them? Yes, I will. Gosh. Like I said, nobody tells you how hard it is to be a husband. Well, hard it is to be married until you freaking get married. Whatever. Just gonna clean all of this, put it in the dishwasher. Gosh. Give me the freaking sponge. There you go. Now just... Yes, he's drinking the water. Don't ask. I'm just gonna put everything in here. and wash it. Oh, I forgot the bottle. I guess I'm just gonna put the baby down for a nap because it's not really time to go yet. What are you doing? I'm putting Oakley down for a nap. Well, guess what? It's not her nap time. Gosh, okay. Just gonna go put her in the stroller. Back in her. Freaking... I still don't know the name. Sorry. Put her back in. You know what? I'm not going back into the thing, you know? Now, put this somewhere. Just, you know what? Just hold it. Watch Oakley. I'm just gonna put this over here. And watch Oakley. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna go get ready because, yeah. Well, first let me grab my nurse outfit. While you watch Oakley, and then you can get ready, and I'll do the same for you. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Like, gosh. Whatever. I'm just in a bad mood. Okay, sorry. Yes, I'll just put on my clothes. I forgot to add a freaking laundry basket. Of course I did. Give me a laundry basket. There. Put this over here. And I'll get my makeup done really quick. Glamour! Glamour! I'm not actually going to do anything because I'm too lazy for that. She's going to brush her hair. Put on my face mask. And I'll just relax for a little bit. Also, don't mind how she put her makeup on before she put on the face mask. Pretend you did in the other order. But yeah. No. That was a sunrise, by the way. But they don't have a sunrise. They just only have a sunset. So I just use the sun. Whatever. Now I'm just going to brush my teeth. Grab the toothpaste. Grab my toothbrush. And I'm going to take off my face mask. And do my toothbrush. Alright. Put that back. Girly Pops! Put this over here. Back in here. And I'll floss. And I guess I'm just gonna go back and take care of Oakley. Give me Oakley. There go. Alright. Let's just get my... No! No. Give me this. Put that back. Because you are not wearing cleats in the house until we leave. You can change in the lockers or whatever, but you're not leaving... Well, you're not being in my house with cleats. Gosh, it's not... Oh my gosh, I've told you this is not your house! It's not only your house either. Now, get out. Just go change and get ready, whatever. Oh, you know what? It's not worth it. It's gonna go away. Don't know how many times I have to tell it. Say this, but he barely even pays the bills. Like, he's not even Major League Soccer. Like, gosh. This one gets on my nerves. I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I guess. Toothpaste. Brush. Put it back up here. Whatever. Anyways, I guess I'm just gonna go back. Alright, we're ready. Let's go. Okay, go put her in her stroller. And let's go. Alright, let's go. I said put her in her stroller. I will. I'm set. There, she's in her stroller. Are you happy? Yes, I'm happy. Okay, whatever. Let's go. Also, they're like new parents, so if they act like younger college kids or whatever, basically if they're up to date with the newer trends and stuff or whatever, that's why it's the newer parents and they're younger. One second, I have to plug in my phone because it's at 9%. Yeah. Also, there should be no cuts in this video because I'm too lazy to make them. But yeah. Alright, we're here. Here, take it. You can finally wear this. Thank you. Bye, love you. Bye. Hi, coach. Hello, let's get rolling. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh shoot, he forgot his water bottle. JJ! Alright, today we're gonna be doing like some cooler warm-ups and stuff, so yeah. Oh, be quiet because, by the way, they're doing some talking on the intercom or whatever. Let's go. JJ! Gosh. He always forgets his water bottle. So I'm just gonna have to get in. And yeah, today there's gonna be a great game for, yeah, so much great game. And today's sponsor is Cool Slay Water. And it's very slay. And yeah, my gosh. Where is your gear? You look so not in spirit. You're supposed to be very spiritful. You're not spiritful at all. Where's your spirit? Oh my gosh, you are like 14. No, you're like 12. Stop talking to me. I'm just gonna give my freaking husband his water bottle. Bro, JJ, take your water bottle. Gosh. Whatever. Just gonna leave. Whatever. Now we're going to the daycare for Oakley. Alright. Here we are. Then we're gonna be at work. Hopefully not have too many customers. You know what, whatever. It's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, hello, darling. Can I see your, well, can I see Oakley here? Oh, he's just so cute. He's a perfect member to our daycare. Oh, I don't know what I could do without his pretty face every day. He's the highlight of my day. Very much the highlight of my day. Yeah, great to hear. I gotta get. Wait, I just want to talk to you for a little bit. Can you come on in here? Yeah, I guess I can. So, what do you want to talk to me about? Oh, I just want to say how perfect, that little Oakley has been doing recently. He has just been great. But one thing that I do think you should be doing, can you start bringing, like, maybe, a snack or something for her, because him, because he really does not like the food that we've been giving him, and he is not eating it, and he's spitting it out. So if you mind, like, just bringing something. If you don't mind, can you just bring something for him? And also bring a pacifier, because we don't have that many extras. And we have to wash it every time, because, yeah, I guess I can. Anyways, bye. Wait, I want to just show you some cute little pictures that he's been drawn. Fine. Can you make it quick, because I really have to get to my nursing job. Yes. Okay. I just want to show you how good he is at drawing. And he's like only how many years old? Well, he's actually not a year old yet, but he is 11 months. So next month he is turning 1. Wow, that is just such a young age. And guess what? Look how perfect this drawing is. Guys, pretend it's like scribbles. Yeah, that's really good, I guess. What are you talking about? It's good, I guess. It's so good. I'm actually thinking about putting this in the minor drawing competition, because it's just so good. He would definitely win, like, overall best dog, like, baby ever that draws, it's just so good. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to leave. I'm sorry. I really have to go. Wait. I just want to tell you a little bit more. Nope. I really gotta go. Wait. I said I really gotta go. I said wait. I'm sorry. I just really gotta go. Wait! Oh my gosh. Get back here. I just have one more thing. No. Gosh, I gotta go. No, come back. I can't run. Oh my gosh. Why is he running after me? Just go. Alright, here we are. Alright, and here we are at my workplace. Yeah. Hello, I'm just signing in. What's your name? It's Patricia. Sorry, not Patricia. Savannah. Alright, oh, you're one of our nurses. Yeah, you can just go on up there. Oh, you can just go on up there. Yeah. Alright. Let's go. Oh. And that's gonna be it for today, guys, because that's basically the end of the morning. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Tell me in the comments if you want to see more Toca videos from me, because this is my first one, like I said. If it does well, I will do more of this, but just tell me your thoughts of the video. Tell me anything that I might need to improve on. By the way, I'm not adding any cuts in the video, because I'm doing this on mobile, and it takes way too long to do cuts, because I have to do screen recording, but yeah, love you ZZs. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. And yeah, bye.